Hi everybody, thanks for coming by the channel again. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unbagging, so yay. This is new for me. I've done 2 add-ons, and the funny thing is, after I did one of the add-ons, I saw them in several other people's unbaggings. And I love I can watch their unbaggings because there are so many different things that it's not a spoiler for me because I know I'm probably getting different things for them. So if you're new to Ipsy, it's a $10 a month subscription. I'll put my link below in case you have any interest in joining. Also, at the end of this video, I am going to do a first impression on, I just did my Boxy and my Birchbox try-ons, and I put on a lot of that makeup today. So I'll do a first impression with some of that at the end of this. When I went on to see if my add-ons had been added, they had already put my spoilers up, and I saw one of them, and I saw it was a lip, so I went lipless so I could go ahead and, instead of swatching on my hand, put it right on my lips. So let's get in here and see what we've got. First, yes, my 2 add-ons. So the add-ons are only, or the add-ons I chose are only $3. And the first one was the Luxie brush, Luxie 1010 brush. And I saw this in so many people's unbaggings. So it wasn't one that I was getting, but I added it because a contour brush from Luxie for $3, and it's the one with the indent. Oh, it feels so nice. Yes, no regrets. That's a great one. I love that. I love brushes. I can never get enough brushes. Okay, and my other add-on was the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This was also $3. I am loving the Way products. I got a Briogeo leave-in conditioner, which I actually used today. It's one of the things I'm going to talk about at the end, in my Boxycharm. And I liked it. No spoilers. Spoiler alert, I liked it. But I'm loving the Way products, and I'm anxious to try their leave-in conditioner. And my mom loves them too, so if for some reason it's not a product I love, I know she'll love it. And it was only $3. It says it's 0.84 fluid ounces, but it's, you know, it's that full. It looks like more than that, but it says 0.84 fluid ounces. Okay, let's see what else is in my bag. Oh, I have more outside stuff. I don't usually have outside things. I have 2 masks. Very cute. I have this sheet is bananas. It's really hard not to sing a song there. That's so cute. And it is from, ooh, I'm gonna mess this up, Jeju N. Very cute. It is 1 sheet mask, and it is for hydrate. This one is hydrating. And this one is called, these are cute. You Can't Handle This sheet. And it is a purifying mask by the same company. Very nice. Those are fun. I can't wait to do them. I have been enjoying sheet masks. Okay, what else? Oh, and I have another brush. This is this is an SLS Miss Glam. I love these brushes because they're so pretty. Can you see that it's got sparkles in the handle, and then it has 2 gemstones, and it's pink about halfway up, and then it goes to light blue. It's just a nice eyeshadow packing brush, but they're so soft. I love these brushes. They're so cheerful. You just put it on your makeup thinking, yep, this is adorable. It has kind of that unicorn look that's going on. Very cool. Okay, officially into the bag, although I wouldn't think I have much. Oh, I should show you the bag. Sorry, guys. This is the bag for this month. It says Ipsy on it, and it has a nice little canvas. This is canvas, and it has a nice little canvas tassel. I love the ones that have the curve. This is very summery to me. I will probably put this away and have it be a summer bag. But to the card, wow, we are like halfway through this and just getting to the card. Welcome to our best year yet. All right. I have signed up to get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I talked to somebody through email, and they implied that I will be on the next wave on the wait list, so we'll see. I'm hoping I can continue doing both. I have a Star Mint Glossy Balm, Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Very cool. I believe these are organic products. Okay, it says it is all natural, non-GMO, and organic. That is fantastic. Just very minty. Oh, excellent. This is a good time. I don't know about you guys, but it is so cold here in the Northeast, so it's balm time. And still 2 more things. I have a Tarte 12-Hour Amazonian foundation in Fair Sand. Let's see how that looks. I dressed up to match my face today. I don't know if you can tell. Well, never mind. I'm not going can't tell that. Let's see what it swatches like on me. Fair Sand sounds kind of, oh, has a seal on it. All right, let's see how this swatches. Oh, comes out very quickly. Oh wow, that feels, I bet this is full coverage. That's very thick. Wow, the color is so exact. I almost can't tell where I rubbed it in. I mean, it is my color. That is amazing. So it feels a little drying, but I will try it and I will do a first impression after another one of my videos, kind of like I'm doing with this one. And last but not least, a full-size Ola Neon lip. This is the one that I knew I was getting. This is the spoiler that I saw. Even though they say they're giving you 5 samples, I quite often get full-size lippies, or like this time I got the full-size brush. Well, I mean, how could it not be full-size? But I got a full-size brush. Okay, this is Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in DF. I don't know what DF means. Okay, let's see if I can do this without my glasses. I should know where my lips are, right? Okay. I should have put my glasses on. It feels nice. It's very liquidy. Feels like it's going to dry down. It's a very pretty color. It's dark, but it's pretty. And it's definitely a color I would wear. It's pinkish. It's cool, not warm, so that's always nice. So yeah, that was kind of fun. It's a lot of lip for my face though today. But yeah, so that's it for my Ipsy bag. So I got the Ola Neon Liquid Lip in DF, the SLS Miss Glam brush. Aren't those rhinestones so cute? The Tarte 12-Hour Foundation in Fair Sand, and the Glossy Mint Jersey Shore Cosmetics Lip Balm. The 2 adorably named This Sheet is Bananas and You Can't Handle This Sheet masks. And then my 2 add-ons, the Luxie 1010 Contour Brush and the Way Leave-In Conditioner, both of which I added for $3. So $10 plus the $3 plus. They have added state tax now. It's a new law. They have added state tax to all of the boxes and bags and everything. Everybody's required to charge it now. So, okay, so that's it for my Ipsy bag. So now I'm going to touch on just a minute what I got in my Birchbox and Boxycharm that I actually put on today for first impressions real quick. Okay, before I do the reviews, I'm going to turn my lights down real quick because I suspect it's hard to see my coloring with the, ooh, up, down. Is it easier to see my own coloring with the lights lower? I think it is, so we'll see. So I use the Way Volume Spray. And I love it. You know, you're thinking, girl, you got some flat hair and it still looks flat. Yes, I don't disagree, but it's not as flat. And it smells really nice, but it does give me lift. Even though I have this incredibly thin, flat hair, it does give it lift and volume. And that's just the Way Volume Spray, which is why I got the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This is the Prescriptives Virtual Skin in Real Rose. And the fact that this is Real Rose tells you how incredibly pink I am, because this, I don't know if you can tell, looks orange. I don't know whether it oxidized or whether it's just, I get the impression, if you saw the swatch when I did the video, it just went orange on me. So I'm roser than rose. And the last thing from the Birchbox that I used today is this adorable little Model Co. highlighter. And it's just so cute and buttery. And I used just a touch here. And I like it. I really enjoy this. This is my first impression. And I know I love this. I probably won't use this again because I kind of felt like it grabbed a little bit at my dry skin and the color's not great. And it wasn't enough that made me want to try and find a color that I loved. So in my Boxy, I got the Briogeo Leave-In Conditioner, which I used today on the bottom of my hair. And it feels nice. I don't know. I've been playing with it a lot today. I try and pull it all forward so you guys think I have a lot of hair. Right now, if you saw me from the back, it would just be a part. Everything forward. I just don't have that much hair. But it smells nice. It's Rosarco Leave-In Conditioner. And I finally read the back of these because I always thought Rosarco, that is an unusual name. And I read the back and it's Rose Hip Argan and coconut oil. Rose are go. Now it makes total sense. Sometimes I miss the obvious things. And last but not least, I did the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. It was this kit. And I used several of these shades, but they're all, except for this one, they are all shimmery, which I said I wasn't going to do, but I did. I used the one that wasn't shimmery as a base, and I put the rest all over my eyes. Let me move forward and see if I can, and I don't know if you can tell. This is not a look that I generally go for because it's so shiny. I like the colors, and I like that I could do my dark and my transition and the light, but it's very shiny up there today. Oh, and now you can see these are the lips that were just in the Ipsy. That was the Ola Neon in DF. Anyway, first impressions. I like it a lot. I will stay with my initial impression when I unboxed it of it's going to be a friend to my palettes that have all the mattes because this is too much shine for my day-to-day life. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. How about giving me a thumbs up? Comment below if you've tried your things and what luck you've had with them. Or do you have a nice, I'm loving the way products, but I can't use the shampoo and conditioner because I just honestly don't care for the way they smell. So have you had any luck with a nice hydrating shampoo and conditioner for the winter? Like, have you tried the Briogeo? I would like to know more about the Briogeo. So if you know more, how about sharing it with me and below? And subscribe, come by. I'll be doing more unboxings. My mom has ordered a knit kit and I'm trying to convince her to unbox it with me on the channel. I know, it's all for makeup, but I'll do something fun while we do it. Alright guys, thanks for coming by.